You spent a lot of time, effort, and money on your website. Isn't it time that you make it work for you by bringing you paying clients? In this video, I'll show you 6 ways to attract a steady stream of clients with your website. Let's go. Hey there, I'm Carol J. Dunlop, the online wow strategist and 4-time Amazon bestselling author. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. I teach transformation specialists just like you to convert marketing into money using their wow website. Everyone is online now, even the people that don't even want to be online. This means that your target audience is only one click away from finding you and hiring you. Here are 6 strategies for you to use online to capture your audience's attention, show them that you are the one, and get them to want to learn more about you and what you do. Know who, what, and how. Before you create one page on your website, you need to know who you're talking to. Who is your audience? Know what they are looking for and what problem they need solving. Then you need to know how you will solve their problem and what they are searching for. Niche down to a select group of people who have similar characteristics and are looking for similar solutions. Here are some examples. Working moms who want to cook healthy meals in 30 minutes or less. Retired executives who are looking to start phase 2 of their lives. People over 30 who have just quit their jobs and are looking to start an online business. Answer questions before they ask. Set up your website content like graphics, video, text, and audio to answer the questions your prospects have before they even ask them. Give them a win. If you solve one problem for them quickly, they will come back for more. Create a lead magnet that solves one of their problems. It can be a cheat sheet, checklist, audio, or even a resource list. They get a solution, you get a subscriber. It's a win-win for you both. Take them on a journey. Starting with your homepage, create an irresistible journey to take them on. Make each page something they want to consume. Each page reveals another part of their journey. Each page reveals another part of your story about how you can help them achieve their dreams and goals. The homepage. This is your showcase full of snippets to show what working with you is like. The About page. It presents your story about how you became who and what you are today. Testimonials. This shows people that you're real and that you really know what you're talking about and teaching about. Services. This shows people how you'll help them achieve success. The contact page. This is the final step to get people to take action and connect with you. Your blog. Visitors want to know that you know what you're talking about. Use your blog to showcase your expertise. Here are some examples. Client case studies, client interviews, tutorials, and information your audience can't get anywhere else. Before we get to the final client attraction strategy, let me know in the comments if these strategies have been helpful for you. Showcase your expertise. People learn and consume information in different ways. Provide multiple outlets for your content so people can see how awesome you really are. You want to appeal to their senses. Why not start a YouTube channel? Video is the next best thing to being there in person. Write a book. Becoming an author definitely sets you apart from your competition. Create a podcast. Having a podcast allows you to get into your audience's head on a regular basis. These outlets present your talent in different ways so people can choose the best way for them to get to know, like, and trust you and then start buying from you. And guess what? They all lead back to your wow website. Using these 6 strategies will help you create a steady stream of leads who convert into clients. Get started creating your own wow website today by downloading my free wow website planner. You can get the link below. And before you go, check out this next video that will tell you more about your website and how you can make it a wow website. See you next time, and thanks for tuning in.